Namaste friends. Today let's do CILT, that is cleaning, inspection, lubrication and tightening of bicycle back wheel bearings. While riding, I noticed abnormal noise, that is metallic noise, noticed play when I inspected. This is the typical diagram of bearing arrangement in bicycle I have. This is cup and this is cone. Now, there may be three reasons for the problem I mentioned earlier. First one may be lack of lubrication. Second one, damages in the bearing. And third one, the cone position might have shifted, creating more gap. Now, let us dismantle and check what is the issue. Look at this, grease has already become black, which needs re-greasing. Now, let us clean and inspect bearings. These are damaged bearings. This is the metal piece, maybe from the damaged bearing. Let me re-grease and fix it back. I am replacing damaged bearings only. Ideally, we need to replace with the new at both sides. Adjusting cone position to the optimum level is very important. Friends, please watch this video till end. I hope you found it useful. Please like and subscribe my channel.